Hi, today we'll give you a quick demo on how e-supplier estimation and proposal creation software works. So this is completely a web-based software. You don't have to download anything. We will give you the username and password. You can log in and start creating estimates for your commercial as well as rooftop solar projects. And once the estimation is over, you can get the proposals created. So let's log in. We'll give you a username and password to get in. So I'm getting in into one of my accounts. So this is the initial dashboard you will get into, the estimation page. You can click add and create a new estimation. And you have to add all the information like the customer information, requirement, specification, bill of materials, cost estimator, even proposal calculator. That is where you can set the cost, profit margins, and add taxes and other things. And customer saving data, environment data, offer, review, terms and condition, and then a cover note. So these are the tabs generally covered. So let's get back to the estimation tab. And you can see we have created two estimation. One is for commercial, other is for residential. I'll just click and open the edit button to show you how the information has to be added. So in the customer data, all the information like the address, contact details, everything has to be added. In the next step comes like the requirement. In requirement, what is the customer requirement? What items he needs? Like he needs solar module and charger or inverter. You can define what he needs, what the configuration is, permit to be managed, any budget information, payment, all the critical information you add here in this space. So that allows you to understand what the requirement is. And based on the requirement, you can figure out the BOM also. So first is the requirement collected, then comes the site specification. So once you add all the address and everything, you will come to the site specification. You will define what uh, project is. It's a residence project, number of floors, height. So you get a complete overview picture of the capability of the site or the challenges which you will face. So based on that, you can prepare your quotes. Now, once you've added the address, automatically our system will pull the address and figure it out what is the roof location. So you can see directly the rooftop of the person or the property where you plan to install the solar unit. In addition to that, you can add information like civil evaluation, electrical evaluation, or any special notes. And in addition to that, you can add number of hours you get a sunshine every month in specific zones. So these are certain standards that will be mentioned there, but you can also edit it. So now we come on the bill of materials. So we are using a Vari module. What is the model number or type of the module, number of modules, wattage, warranty. Same way for the inverter and other associated products, electrical and mechanical products. So you just have to add here whatever is relevant to you. So I'll just try to show you something. Just click here, add the information, and you are set here on this page. I go to the next. Then the system will come here. You will add the unit price. What is the unit price coming to for all the items? System will auto calculate, multiply the total quantity and come with a value that this is the total cost of bill of materials. Like 2,55,800 is the cost coming to uh, the company. Now, in the next step, this is where proposal calculator comes here, where you will set the margins, your profit margins you can add, maybe where you want to add your cost. You want to add like 14.5% on the module and you can split up. You can also add like a miscellaneous labor cost or maybe as a profit line item also if you want to add, there's a possibility you can add that. So you don't have to do the margin calculation. But the margin calculation tells you what is the total margin you have added to this actual cost of material. So 15% is the margin I have set here. I click on next. Then the system will automatically calculate the customer solar data, like the solar power generation, electricity consumed before solar, electricity consumed after solar, cumulative energy credits, utility bill after solar, utility bill before solar, then after solar, estimated saving. So this is a 20-year calculation which the system does, keeping in mind the degradation ratio of the panels and the inverters and other associated barriers. So it does a complete calculation. It shows what is the estimated saving we are going to get after 20 years, and month year wise also is also given here. So the system will, as you know, you're using solar energy, you'll be saving a lot of greenhouse gas emissions. You'll be saving a lot of trees and water usage also. So system will calculate what is the impact you're going to advantage you're going to get. Like how many trees you will be saving for a 20-year period. What is the number of gallons of water you will be saving, carbon dioxide. So all this data will be used in the proposal building. So when you give a proposal to the customer, it is more accurate and it is more appealing. So it does a lot of sales work also. So here is an offer preview, which you can take a look for your internal use. You can edit also if you want anything at this point. So once the offer preview is done, we go to the next stage. So this is the terms and conditions. You have added terms and condition in the system. Automatically, the system will pull all the data in front of you. If you want to edit any terms and part of the terms and condition for a specific customer, you can do that. And when you click next, you can write a covering letter also here to the customer. And once you are done with writing the letter, you click on save, and the proposal is ready here. You can see, you can click and open the proposal if you wish to. I'm opening it in new tab. So the system will auto create beautiful standardized proposals, which you can directly share it to your customer. You can see with a cover letter, with all capabilities. It is very square and clearly mentioned the cost of the project, what items you are using, what was the requirement, what is the 12-month unit consumption. All that is all taken care. Even the calculation for a yearly data is done. What is the old bill would be, like say 42,000 would be your old bill. After solar, you will be getting a 1,500 rupee bill per year. So this is like what kind of savings you are going to get. So these are very appealing information. Even will take the picture of the house where you are going to install, or the site where you are going to install the solar panels, and share it. So this with the customer will feel more confident, when you give all this data voluntarily. Generally, nobody gives this kind of data. So even the calculation, 20-year calculation you are giving to the customer, what is the CO2 savings and all that, green energy effect, like environment impact part. So this is the items you are going to use it in the project. You are giving the total cost, how much it is. Even you can add sales tax. So in this case, it is 12% we have added. This is the terms and conditions which you are going to share with the customer. So in short, a beautiful looking proposal, if you send this to your customer, you will be a differentiator. You will give all the adequate information in a precise manner. The most important thing, you'll be saving time also in your company building proposals. Generally, building proposals is all manual process over Excel sheet, Word document, templates, and calculators. There is a lot of human error which happens. So you will be solving all the problems, and multiple people in the company can use this tool. You can create multiple groups and users in the company to build the proposals. So with this, we end the presentation. And if you have any questions, you can always contact eSupplier directly. Thank you.